In the name of Allah, in this lecture, I will talk about the difference between the secondary current 1 ampere and 5 amperes. If we have two current transformers, the first is 600 amperes to 1 ampere, and the other is 600 amperes to 5 amperes. What is the difference between the secondary current 1 ampere and 5 amperes? In the indoor or outdoor substations, the current transformer is often not located in the same place as the measuring devices or protective devices, and therefore there is a distance between the current transformer and the measuring or protective devices. This distance is the connection wires or the secondary circuit wires of the current transformer. The secondary current 1 ampere or 5 amperes flow through the secondary circuit from the current transformer to the measuring or protective devices. We know very well that the secondary circuit wires of the current transformer have resistance in ohms. So, more distance of these wires means more resistance in ohms. So, the flow of the secondary current through the wires between the current transformer and the protective or measuring devices makes a voltage drop, where the voltage drop equals the secondary current multiplied by the resistance of these wires from the current transformer to the measuring or protective devices. So, when we use a current transformer of a secondary current 1 ampere, this means that the voltage drop equals 1 ampere multiplied by the resistance of these wires. Also, when we use a current transformer of a secondary current 5 amperes, this means that the voltage drop equals 5 amperes multiplied by the resistance of these wires. We see a high voltage current transformer located inside the yard of the substation. Now we see different measuring and protective devices located inside a building far from the current transformer place. We see the secondary circuit wires that connected the current transformer and the measuring or protective devices. If the distance between the current transformer and the measuring or protective device is more than 30 meters, a secondary current 1 ampere is used to avoid a high voltage drop through the connecting wires. So, we choose the current transformer of 600 amperes to 1 ampere. If the distance between the current transformer and the measuring or protective devices is less than 30 meters, no problem to choose the secondary current of 1 ampere or 5 amperes. So, we can install any current transformers 600 ampere to 1 ampere or 600 amperes to 5 amperes. Finally, if the distance between the current transformer and the measuring or protective devices is more than 30 meters, a secondary current 1 ampere is used to avoid a high voltage drop in the wiring if 5 amperes is used according to the voltage drop equation. Thank you.